we're going to download FreeCAD on a Mac. You go to this website, and Ziyad, your computer has an M1 processor, you said?
Yes.
Okay, so you're going to use the M1 disk image, and then it's going to download the installation file, and you've created a folder for it, I guess.
Yes.
Okay. And once it's downloaded, you can go ahead and run it, right? That was a pretty fast download, actually.
Double click.
Okay. And then there it is. Okay, so it's installed.
Yes.
For our intents and purposes. So at this point, then we're going to go to the website and download the CAD file that we need. So to do that, we click on this FreeCAD file / model, and then it brings up a Google Drive folder, and you go to the upper right and click on download, and then we bring that in. I guess it's doing funny things, right? But you're bringing it down there. Okay, and what we found is it's important not to double click on that file that you just downloaded from the website. It did something strange. First, we're going to run FreeCAD, and then we're going to open the file
from FreeCAD.
From FreeCAD. Okay. I'm very patiently waiting here.
So that's asking for verification. If you have errors in here for any reason, just go to, I will click open for now. But probably if you end up having errors, you can just go to system setting, and you need to go to security. And here you will see something related to FreeCAD. If it didn't allow opening at all, you will see something here about FreeCAD. Just click allow.
Okay, thank you. That's good information. I don't have a Mac, so this is helpful. All right, so now we're going to open that file using file open. And we're going to, there it is. It's not yet associated with anything, but that should be fine. Oh, okay. Okay, there it is. Got it. There, because that's from a previous version we downloaded, right? So now we're going to open it. Okay. And we wait patiently, and then it should come up like this. This is perfect. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to click on body on the upper left here, okay? And then you're going to spin this thing around. So on that cube in the upper right, turn it around and get on the bottom. Okay? And then we're going to go to the workbench up here on the upper left and click on part design. Okay? Now, one thing that's a little bit different, the first time, we didn't necessarily see all these toolbars come up when we did this, okay? When I say toolbars, I'm referring to like this create sketch icon right there, okay? So if that happens, what you might need to do is click on these double arrows like this until you find more options, if that makes sense, okay? Just to do the first part of the tutorial that's already up, what you're going to do now is go to model, and again click on body. Just make sure that you're on body, and then we're going to click on the face over here, okay? And it should bring you down to the bottom fillet 001, okay? That's a good place to be in. Then we're going to go up to the create sketch, click on that, and then what you should see is this comes up. From here, right, what you'll see in the video that's already online is we use the dot point or create point and click on that, and then we're going to make like three, just like that. Great. Not on the line actually, but yeah, because off, everything's off initially. Yeah, like this, another one over here, and then one like there. Okay. And then from here, you should be able to use the dimension tool, which is this one, this vertical one, okay, and be able to do the dimensioning just as you saw in the other video. Thank you very much.